Hi everybody. For this week's assignment, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do some sketching, some designing of garments, and we're going to learn what a croquis is. So a croquis is a basic template used for rendering or sketching. And I have made some copies here and I've put on the Google Classroom for you that you can print out and use this as your outline. This is the women's croquis. If you are interested in designing any menswear, here's a croquis that I've also attached for you that you could print out for menswear. If you don't have a way to print out, you can always take a piece of copy paper or just even notebook paper, put it up to the computer screen with your croquis on, and just kind of really lightly sketch out the shape that you need. You can also, if you can't see through to sketch very well, you can put your croquis on a window and put your piece of paper over it, and it will the lines will show through very easily. So I'm going to show you guys how to use these. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put my my copy on a table, or I have mine on a clipboard, and I'm going to take a blank sheet of paper and I'm going to put over the top of it. And you guys from the computer screen, you are not going to be able to see the lines through. But I can see them through, which is my outline to start sketching. So I'm just going to kind of start sketching out an idea. And like I said, I want you to do 3 complete outfits, which is a top and a bottom. So I'm just going to kind of start designing, see if you guys can see a little skirt here, maybe a little tulip skirt, following the shape that they gave me. I'm going to flip out the hem a little bit, create a hem. And then I'm going to make sure I can see through, and I'm going to put legs on her so you can kind of get an idea. And you see I'm kind of sketching fast. It's okay, you don't have to be the best illustrator. We're just getting an idea and a point across. I'm going to put a little tank top, well, a little sleeveless top on her, tuck it in so you can see I'm just using this shape that is underneath that you really can't see, but you'll be able to when you get your copy. So I'm putting a little top on her, and I'm going to give her her little arms. Sketch out a little bit here. Here's her other arm. And if you make a mistake, just kind of put lines a little darker over it to create the shape you want. Give her a neck so that you can kind of get the balance there to see. I'm gonna make this little top a little button down. I'm going to alternate where I'm putting the buttons, make it a little more interesting. Make the neckline a little bit darker. The little darts here. So that's just kind of an idea of one idea. So there's just a little skirt and a top. So we're going to do 3 different ones. So as I said before, make sure that you can see the shape behind it, which gives you the idea of the base of where you're talking about. This one I'm going to do an elastic waist that's kind of a wider band, put a little elastic in it. I think I'm going to do some oversized pants, little so you can see it's not perfect drawings, and that's fine. The idea is just to get your point across so that you know what you're doing. And let's put a little tank top on her. A little bit, I'm going to do a V-neck top on this one. I think you're getting the idea of what to do. And it's not intended to be a long or hard project, just to start getting the feel of what a croquis is and having a baseline to do your sketches. I want this to be my neckline down here, so I made a mistake on that one up there. Erase it a little bit. So that's just a couple ideas that I just sketched out really quick, and that's all you need to do is just have some fun with this and play around. Just pencil Don't make it any big deal, just do the best you can.